Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I rig my, this is a 13.5 foot B&M pole with a little bait caster reel on it. I'm going to show you how I rig it up wherever I'm vertical fishing for these crappie there in shallow water when they're anywhere between, 6 and 12 foot deep. So here's what we're looking at. First thing I do is I get my bobber stoppers out, as you can see right here. I done showed I have a video out that shows you how you can reuse your bobber stoppers, so you might want to check that out. First thing I do, of course, is just put one bobber stopper on. So you can see here I just got my bobber stopper. Slide it up the line. This here happens to be a 1/4 ounce tungsten weight. So you can see here I got my 1/4 ounce tungsten weight. I'm going to slide it on. I either use a worm type weight, or I like the little cylinder weights real well too. I just don't have any of them laid out. And then what I do is I take my other bobber stopper here. You can see it right there. Put it through the guide. And then pull it up on. So now I got a bobber stop on the front and a bobber stop on the back. Then I take my crappie magnet eye-hole jig here, as you can see here. And I just tie a loop knot with it. So I'll run it through. Get a little line here to work with. Now I got my jig swinging free. Got my tag end off, of course. Now I'll pull my weight down to where I want it. I like to have mine no more than 6 or 8 inches above my bait. So there's about, that's about 6-7 inches there. Pull it down just a little bit. Pull my bobber stopper down. Now that's what you're looking at when you have your finished product. You got a loop knot here on the bottom, so where your jig swings free. About 6 inches above, you got your 1/4 ounce weight, pegged with 2 bobber stoppers. And that's the equipment that we're using. And most of the time I'll take, well, all the time, I usually take something and put in my eye-hole jig here. I usually use the slab bites that Crappie Magnet make. And you can mix and match your colors. You can put a pink one in there, a silver one in there, a chartreuse one in there. I believe in this video I'm going to show a couple, at least one fish catch, and I had a chartreuse one in there. So that's my rigging tips on rigging my long pole with a 1/4 ounce weight on it to catch these vertical crappie. So thank you all very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's Brian hooked up with a long pole fish. Swinging him in. It's a good eater right there.